Lucky lips are always kissing. Lucky lips are never.
Let's learn lucky lips. All right, so here we go. We are going to start with a grapevine. So you're going to start with a grapevine to the right. Step behind, step and touch. In here, you are going to do a little bit of a twist with your toes or a fan. Go side, back, side, together. Grapevine to the left. Out, behind, out and touch. Right toe is going to go out. Knee comes up. Toes down again and comes back. Let's do this section again with a count or with a little bit more of a beat. 5, 6, 7. Grapevine goes out, behind and out. Touch, fan, toe and toe and toe. Grapevine, out, behind and out. Touch, toe, out, in, out, out. Huh? It was fun, wasn't it? Okay, so from there, after we do all that, we're going to do what is called a box. You're going to go out beside your right. You're going to go back together, to the left together, and to the front together. So that is called a box, okay? So let's try that again. Side together, back together, left together, and left together. Awesome. When you come back from the box, you're going to do a step lock forward. So you're going to go 2 right foot forward, which is a lock, okay? So from this angle, right behind right, okay? So let's try that box again. So side, back with the right, and then left and to the left. Lock forward, 2 rights, and we're going to finish bringing the left foot forward, and you're going to turn quarter turn to the right together. And then that ends the dance as you're going to be ready to start with a grapevine all over again. So let's do the whole thing one step at a time. All right, 5, 6, 7, grapevine. So out, behind, out, touch and fan the toes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Grapevine, out, behind, out. Knee goes out through the toe, comes in, out, together. The box, out to the right, back with the right, to the left, and forward with the left. Your right foot is ready for 2 locks forward. And now here's the turn, touch, turn, together. That pivot in, okay? So let's see it again. You touch, we're going to do it in this wall. So you touch to the front with the left, you pivot your toes, and bring the left together, okay? So that's 1 turn together. Excellent. Let's do it now with a count. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Let's do this wall. All right, here we go. Grapevine, 5, 6, 7, vine. 1, 2, 3, and fan the toes. 5, 6, 7, grapevine to the left. 2, 3, and toe goes out, in, out, box, out to the back, together, and out to the front, hold, and 2 rights, and hold for touch, turn, step. There it is.